My great grandfather was from Scotland, and on my mother's side there's Thai and also Portuguese. We'll all be so happy to help out to do the mustard salad dressing. We take turns lah. Okay, you did it last time. You saw how it was made, and now it's your turn. Like you haven't cut up the vegetables, it's your turn now to cut up vegetables. You know, so that's where we enjoy lah. During Christmas, at lunch, we'll have this mustard salad with roast chicken and mashed potatoes. So now I will show you how to do the mustard salad dressing. It's excellent with green, and if you want to add rice in it, it's also good. So I've got 2 hard-boiled eggs. Separate the yolk, cherry, tomatoes, put some inside. Then my green apple, this leafy vegetable, cayenne pepper is already pounded. Then this is the dry mustard. That's vinegar, sugar, salt. Now, then there's also evaporated milk. I will start with mash the egg yolk, mustard, then sugar, then the salt. Okay, cayenne peppers, evaporated milk. Now we start to blend. That's vinegar. You just can stir it. Finally mix all. Nice bowl. If you didn't have your lunch, you can have this for lunch. Alright, there you are. Voila!